adjust that line a little. All the time you're looking at your lines, you know, all the time. Something might have moved or whatever, like that. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You will learn heaps. Little bit of chopping channel there. It's still a little bit tight. The concrete's going up. So let's just trim. Let's just trim a little bit off. So we're not forcing anything. Oh, that's better. That's the ticket. When the owners come home and they see all this, they'll say, "Chriso, you've done it again." Now that's how you always do the edge of, or your step of tiles. That you can never get, you've always got that because you're always kicking out, you're coming out further than the post for your dropper. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll put those in a minute, in a sec, and I'll switch the camera on when I'm inside again to start grouting. I'll see you soon. Thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.